Hey guys, it's Miss Adams, and we're looking at the Unit 2 test review. These first problems are dealing with evaluating functions given either an input or an output. So we've given you three different functions, and we're going to evaluate them depending on if we have an input or output. And for these three, we're actually giving you inputs, so our goal is to find the outputs. Then we need to write the ordered pair represented once we evaluate the functions. So first thing we were given is j of 10. So we have been given that 10 is our x value. This is our input. So we need to find our y value, which will be the output. And we know this function is negative 3x plus 9. So anywhere I have that x, I'm going to substitute the value of 10. And then in my calculator, I can do negative 3 times 10 plus 9. That's going to give me an output of negative 21. So therefore, my ordered pair is going to be 10 comma negative 21. I'm going to do the same thing with g of 3. My function g is g of x equals 2x minus 4. Anywhere I have an x, I'm now going to substitute in 3. And I still have the minus 4. 2 times 3 minus 4 gives us the output of 2. So our ordered pair there is 3 comma 2. And then I have f of negative 8. So in my function f, I've got 1/4 times negative 8 plus 8. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 1/4 times negative 8 plus 8 to give us the output of 6. So my ordered pair is going to be negative 8 comma 6. Now we're only using the function f of x equals 4x minus 3 to find x for the given expressions below. So now we have something that says f of x equals 1. So we're given the output, and we're now trying to find x, which is the input. So for this first one, I'm going to say that 1 is equal to 4x minus 3. I can then add 3 to both sides. That'll give us 4 equals 4x. And then I can divide by 4. This tells me that x is equal to 1. And my ordered pair here is going to be 1 comma 1. I'm going to do the same thing with my function at 5. I'm going to say that 5 is equal to 4x minus 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides to get that x or 8 equals 4x. And I'm going to divide by 4. So x is going to equal 2. And my ordered pair here is going to be 2 comma 5. Last but not least, I'm going to have a negative 11 is equal to 4x minus 3. I'm going to add 3 to both sides. I'll get negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8 equals 4x. Then I'll divide by 4 to get that x is equal to negative 2. And the ordered pair will be negative 2 comma negative 11. We're going to be doing something similar with the next section, so we'll go ahead and cover that in this video. It says use the graph of g of x to the right to find the following solutions. So it says g of negative 2. That means we've been given the x value negative 2. We've got to identify the y value there, which is going to be 6. So that should be the ordered pair negative 2 comma 6. We're then given g of 0. Well, when x is 0, y is 4. So that's going to be the ordered pair 0 comma 4. And then g of 3. When x is 3, y is 1. If I wrote that as an ordered pair, that'd be 3 comma 1. Then it says the function x is equal to negative 1. So we're trying to find when y equals negative 1, what does x equal? And that's going to give us 5. So therefore, my ordered pair is 5 comma negative 1. And then it says my function x is equal to 4. So when my y value, when my y value is equal to 4, my x value is equal to 0. So x is going to be equal to 0, and I'm going to have the order pair 0, 4. And I can do the same thing with the chart below, or to the right here. I've got, well, function of 12. So when x is 12, y is 20. Likewise, when x is 3, y is 8. And we can work that the other way. When y is 12, x is 6. And when y is 20, x is 12. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the first page.